I got a query from Mohan asking about flyback transformer design. After that, we arranged an online meeting where we discussed the flyback transformer design for 12 volt 2 ampere, that is 24 watt flyback converter. I recorded the whole session thinking it might help the community. Let us just type ST. Yeah, this design suite. Here you can select like power management design center, power supply design tools, and ours will be AC/DC converter, PFC, PWM, non-isolated converter, FF flyback. So FF flyback was fixed frequency flyback, and QR was quasi-resonant flyback. So these are quasi-resonant is an advanced thing. So let us just not go into it. So V out is required 50 minimum. Let us keep 90 volts only here as well. Because anyway 85 volts on the AC line won't be practical. I don't believe that voltage will go that low. Output voltage will be 12 volt. Current will be again 2 ampere. So again 24 watts. So they are giving many designs, and actually they are based on different ICs like Viper 37, HE, HD. The oscillating frequency you can see it will be inversely proportional to the size of the transformer. We should try to keep this frequency as high as possible. So what will happen? The size of the transformer will be very low. So let us not select any design that is for 60 kilohertz. 115 kilohertz is good, so there is no design above 15 kilohertz. 115 kilohertz. So what we will do that we will try to keep this VDSS as high as possible. Okay, so that is also very high, and ID lim. Okay, so let us just not go for these design because maximum current that they are allowing is 950 milliampere. These are the two designs that are allowing some higher amount of current. Okay, so let us select any one of the designs. Can you see they have also given the whole BOM, bill of materials, and the part number and description and reference is also given. So what you can do, you can directly order these things from any Mouser or DigiKey. Let us click on print. They are giving the design of the transformer in slightly different manner. Like they have given the primary inductance, okay, and leakage inductance. Primary current is also good, and IRMS. The turns ratio they have given, output turns ratio, and auxiliary winding turns ratio. But see, in the STE design suite, there will be one disadvantage. Like you will have to select proper gauge of copper wire based on these current ratings. They won't be giving you these gauge wires. As you can see in PI Expert, they will be directly giving you the gauge of the wire. So you don't have to do anything, right? Yeah, so they will also not give you the exact number of turns that are to be employed in primary and secondary side, right? They will just give you the turns ratio. So this is one slight disadvantage. Otherwise, there are two, important tools for designing any flyback converter. One is this PI Expert, which is very good. Like it will give you straight away the whole design. And another thing is this STE design suite. What you'll have to do, you'll have to click on print, click on okay. Okay, so what will happen? See, you just have to share this document. You just have to send this document to the transformer manufacturer, and he will quote you the minimum quantity that you will have to purchase. I believe these are 5 or 10, and the transformer will cost you about 25 rupees each transformer. Okay, each transformer. So yeah, you can do this. Click on this video if you want to learn about appropriate MOSFET selection for flyback converter.